Hello dears, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't yet. Come on, hit that red button and ring the bell to get notified on our upcoming videos. Today's recipe is something different and very useful. I'll teach you how to make a delicious treat out of leftover chapatis or rotis. I call them veg omelette rolls. Don't worry, they're completely vegetarian, rather vegan. Trust me, they're super yummy, quick and easy to make. A go-to recipe when you are in a hurry or have to rush to office or attend something. Let's get started. I have taken 3 tablespoons of gram flour or besan. To it, I'm adding salt to taste. Then goes in chili powder around half a teaspoon. Pepper powder half a teaspoon. A teaspoon of cumin seeds. You can add carom seeds or ajwain too. Then goes in finely chopped onions, ginger and cilantro or coriander leaves. You can go creative and add in any veggies of your choice or keep it simple like I did. To give that extra flavor, add half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Gradually keep adding water and keep mixing until it forms a thick paste. Make sure not to make it too runny. This recipe tastes great, gets done in no time and requires minimal ingredients available in every Indian household. So you should definitely give this recipe a try. Our topping is now ready. This will suffice around 4 chapatis. I have a few leftover rotis here from last night and I want to use them today for breakfast. It's boring to reheat and consume them, so why not get creative and give it a new shape and taste. Apply a generous mixture of this topping to the roti. Meanwhile, heat a griddle or tawa on medium flame. Grease it with a few drops of oil. Gently place the roti on the hot griddle as shown. Make sure the side of the roti that has the topping should face the fire. Brush a little oil. Now flip it over once cooked. Repeat the same process for all the chapatis. These veg omelette rolls are ready. Oh, wait, they're not done yet. Squeeze a few drops of tomato ketchup and chili or hot sauce. Roll them and there you go. They are ready to munch on. Do give this recipe a try. They're sure to be a super hit not only for kids, but people of all ages will love them.
This tastes super yummy.
Please give me a thumbs up if you like my recipe. Do subscribe, hit the bell and share it with your family and friends. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay happy.